Why is my Shopify store not taking orders? I'm going to show you why my Shopify store is not taking orders. The "This store isn't taking orders right now" message can appear on your store for a few different reasons. For example, if you haven't yet set up a payment provider, you would be unable to accept orders. To resolve this, head to your Shopify admin and select Settings to check out to preview your settings. First, make sure that you have a payment provider set up and that your checkout is enabled. Next, check your payment provider settings under Settings to Payments. Ensure you are not in test mode. If you find yourself in test mode, simply deselect this setting. Finally, ensure you are not on a paid active plan. If you have not yet selected a plan or your store is set to pause, you will not be able to accept orders. Then head to Settings, then Plans and Permissions to check this.